How to change call background photo or video when you make or receive a phone call on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. Open the app drawer on your device and tap the phone app. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Tap the settings. Now here you can find the call background option. Tap on it. Select the picture or a video to show when you make or receive a call. So tap the background. By default set this background. Now tap the background. Here you can see the option picture. Here you can select this picture. Also select the video like this. So whenever you receive a phone call, you can see this type of video on your device. If you want to set your phone gallery photo or your own photo, you can select the gallery. Here we select this photo. Now you can see how it looks when you receive a phone call. So tap on a set as a call background. Now call background apply. Now one of my friend call me and you can see how it looks. So wait, and one of my friend call me. Now you can see chat the call background on my Samsung S25 Ultra on any other Samsung device. So quite it easy to change the call background on your device using this call background setting. Just select the background, select gallery photo, also camera photo. You can also set a video as a background on your device. That's it. Please like it, share it.